Here we are with the green tea and me and May. These are all the tea bushes and this is the fruit. And these are all the green tea bushes. Right, here is a little hoarding sign thing showing all the green tea making process. There, green tea. How do we do the eagle line? That's how we do it. Eagle line, eagle style, off we go. This is the start of the Eagle Line Trail and we are just heading down. It's called the Eagle Line because it looks like the shape of an eagle. Well, there it is, back down to the lake, down the bottom. And this little river goes on top of the waterfall. So nice. There's a coffee shop. It's a lot cooler in here, for sure. No. No one in here. A nice view here through the window. This is inside. You can get a little ice cream, drinks. Right, we need to get going. How are you feeling?
Let's go.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Top of the world?
Yeah, of course. Another snacks, yeah.
You can scan the medal. You can scan the medal and then wear it. You can scan the medal and it's yours.
Oh. The happy smiling face comes into focus.
Oh, sweet.
Are we having fun yet, love?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good.
I just need some gloves because I keep on. I like holding the branch of the tree, the rocks.
Right, I've just realised up in the woods there, all the graves. Alright, I think that's as good a place to end the video as anywhere it is. We're down. We are down. Alright, the last bitter thing is our gate to get out is locked.